Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds I and A. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then, I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the I sound in the word big, big, big. Now the A sound in the word bag, bag, bag. Now I will use them both in a sentence. That bag is big. That bag is big. That bag is big. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat. Bye!